So but lokho ngathini mina I'm going to be that guy uthi makaboshwa ngiyoboshwa mina ngihamba ngeprivate jet ngeprivate car ngeke ngihambe ngabo blue yamavan nithi angeke ngiboshwa abo event and into esumntwana into bengihlezi mina impilo yami yonke bekuyinto bengimeditate I would see myself vele kuba ilezi ukuthi ngiboshwe icrime serious kwazi umuntu or ngibulele umuntu into yakhona yaziwe ephuma ema newspaper emantweni and then at that time mangisemotweni njoba ngihamba nama police ibuye ukuthi Thabiso uyakhumbula ukuthi le nto lekudala uyiphupha into kudala we created so sebangitshele ngencosi ayisami siyangichallenge ukuthi flip if ngimethisile kwamampela and mina ngifuna ukugive up la ijele ngibo magwaza ngibe ngenzeni shothi angeke ngisaphuma mse angeke ngisaphuma I'm going to repeat the history mntana yokhula nange nababakhe and I know that pain but hey flip mana ngaso sikhatha ngiyaphika ukuthi incosi mara abona sengiyaqala ngenza okay ngihambe ngecourt mangibuye ecourt ngibuye ngiaphe ecourt kuyaajwa and bengekho into ukuthi mangihlala bengizibuza ngiphilelana umama mngilahlile ubaba mngilahlile like no one cares about me okay kanti ngiphilelana athi thingiyenzeke lento le but still uyayifeel lapho like lapho nanoma uhlala emarobotini uzoyifeel okay ngikhipha igata mangicata khipha.
Welcome to the Dove Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Just do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press the notification bell as well as join the membership, and also donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. The donation helps a lot. It helps the families who don't have food, as well as kids who don't have shoes, as well as we do pay the lawyer's fee. So thank you so much to those who are donating. Thank you so much. Please do it. It helps a lot. James, are we on grace?
You know it. We on grace.
Yeah, we on grace.
Yeah, we on grace.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone. Onyake nomcha.
Ngwamuswa. Thi ngesuthu. Happy New Year.
Ke jara ke Setswana ke jara ke ngwaga ke Sepedi ya ke jara
ntsha
nyakomtsha
ngiyabona ukuthi lento ngiqeda uyikhuluma la phela ngisho nje qala
yelezi uthi ngakuma interview
etata litsini ixesha
Ixesha ngoku.
Wait, my brother. Welcome back. This is part Baje.
It's part 3.
Part 3.
Part number 3.
You remember the
part 2 vividly. Kubula kahle.
You remember part 2?
Yeah, ngisayikhumbula.
Maybe isikhala lapho.
Please introduce yourself and let's get into it.
Okay, sanibonani uSfiso Terence wakasibeka ubhuti wamagama amaningi Thabiso aka Thabiso Lucas Nare.
Uyawathi ebizwa ngawafaka vele lapho baba.
uthi Sfiso Terence Sibeko
Lucas
Ubhuti wamagama amaningi.
Yeah, man. Let's continue with the story, bro.
Yeah, if ngikhumbula kahle ile time ngifuna umphakathi angithi this is Sunday ekseni sibuye ePassion Saturday ePassion Saturday sesagwaza uMr Party sabalela nanomngani wami nabangani bami and then Friday that's where senzele ya case yemeda so le case le no one knew ukuthi yenzwa bobani so I think because of sesaba wild phela besi wild so much that besime phambi kwa DJ wenza so ibig mawuqeda uyivule it tele equipment lapho sifuna ukuyisusa ne so I think there were people because umphakathi already umangazwe icase yanene Friday So this is today Saturday. So umphakathi I think baye bazama ucalculate dama labafana why ba wild kanje because they were besenza ngakhona all we wanted befuna ukulimaza umuntu. Yep. Sakijusa Mr. Party nempintshi zakhe basigijimise sibaleke mara sasemgwazini and then sekuyi Sunday. Sunday mangizongena ephasishini mina ekhaya esinawan bengihlala emaphasishini. Mangizongena ephasishini ngihamba nomngane wami uGwegwe noThabang si3 kushota lethule ngoba yasephiri ayikho ushimane no Sifiso bitso wamabeko. So masengena ephasishini bona ukugcwele abantu abaningi. Mas like sisole man ukugcwele abantu. Abanye abafana abangazibe bame that other side basibona bathi kimbathi ngibaleke. Kula ngibaleka khona ngabaleka nabangani bami nababa u2 uGwegwe noThaba masibaleka siya ngase Rockville eElk masifika lapha nasithi man why sibaleka sazi sibalekelana because manje senza icase Friday and senza icase nayizolo Saturday so sifuneka for repeat case because asazi so mina ngathi ubhuti wami beka Jolan not far from la bese khona ngithi nazi imane la ngihambe ngiyobheka ubhuti wami ngiyobheka girlfriend kaBhuti wami ngibona ukuthi angeke ngimthole sifonele ubhuti wami kula ngihlukana khona noGwegwe noThabang abangani bami bese sonke silele the whole izolo sonke kula ngihlukana nabo khona ngihamba yobheka iCherry kaBhuti wami afonela ubhuti wami akafika athi yo mfana angazi nenzeni whatever uyenzile ntwana khutla yena bekakhuluma isuthu nami arike kopa ukhutlele noTwest uThabe mfana whatever uyenzile ayikhulumeke same time ubhuti wami angithathe angifake emotweni ayongidropa kunento bathi eWaterworks ngase Protea indawo yakhona mawuye ePotchefstroom wangibeka lapho mangifika lapho ngahike ngathola indawo ngathola into eyeNorthwest ngayeNorthwest ngibalekele eNorthwest kufike ngiyohlala neuncle lam kalapho Sunday Monday kungena call from la ekhaya Soweto esinawan makungena icall basho ukuthi hey batshela umalume like la Soweto ubhuti wami akakabatsheli ukuthi nguphi because manje sekufuna umphakathi so ungibalekisile so akatshelanga umuntu usuke wathula mangifika le baba umagogo makafolele uncle athi nangi lo muntu unami la umagogo athini athi awumuphi phone magogo ngithatha iphone athi mntanami azi baye bangikhuza ngawusuka eNorthwest ufika la bathi ngizosola and then manje sesifuna umphakathi ufuna ukushisela ufuna umphakathi ushaya thina bathi sikubalekisile bafuna ukushisela njengoba sila into ngamuzwa asho ukuthi namaphoyisa basitshele ukuthi ngeFriday singabi la ngoba umphakathi ungashisa usually vele ngama night vision kula mphakathi usho khona angihlabe lawo makapa ngiyacabanga ngibalekile mina ifamily yami ayazi first of all ukuthi ngiyenzile noma ngiyenzanga seke ngilingizele la Soweto you understand and bang embrace and then ngapha mina lo muntu owenze le case ngibalekile ngisafe futhi makaqedwe umagogo athi salubaleka mntana makusana akusena ndawo because bayokubulala labantu wathi sana ungasaphindi ubuye salubaleka Monday ingidle leyo nto leyo ngithathe iNewspaper ngaleso sikhathi ngihamba umalume eBinoni ngase Lakeside Mall bekuqalisa isikhathi sama Formula 1 ama hotel eLakeside Mall bekune iFormula 1 not far from Lakeside Mall eBinoni abantu abayazi belapho besilala kule Lakeside Mall and then Tuesday yakhona sahamba saya eMpumalanga eMiddelburg eGroblersdal nase Witbank yabo ngifuna ngiseGroblersdal kungale ngasentabeni mawuya ngathi uye eMarble Hall kule kude nje ngifonela iDelisane angifonela iDelisane ngibatshele ukuthi nazini mina ngumuntu oso and njoba ngumuntu oso ngimere suspect asesinawan ngifuna umphakathi and then manje this whole thing ngicabanga ukuthi I need to hand myself in ngifuna ukukhuluma ne report sengicabangile ukuthi yazini angeke sengigangile mina ngenze lento and then my family yami angeke izosafara friend ebangayazi so kungcono ukuboshwe mina if umphakathi uyangibamba uzongishaya as long as ifamily izosurvive yabona ngithi yazini mele ngiyenze sure ukuthi iDelisane ngikhuluma nabo before Thursday so that at least babangithola before Thursday bazobhala istory and then Friday siphume ukuthi nangu uboshiwe, and then kanjalo umphakathi Friday bazoyeka ifamily yami, because umphakathi remember bahlupha ifamily ngenxa ukuthi ngibalekile and ifamily iyazi la ngikhona. That's what umphakathi uma endlini bebasho. So makungaboshwa mina ifamily izoyeka ukuhlupha ifamily yami ngithi. So ngithi na thing is bophisa ngifonelele ngatshela uncle ngikhulumene out umzikunene ngisamkhumbula i-Daily Sun reporter khona umzikunene ngimfona mangimfonela athini okay basi ngahlangana kanjani. So sempumalanga ngifune mangisakhuluma bathi basazozama ukungihlanganisa nereport iDaily Sun somewhere eMpumalanga. So sisuke eGroblersdal siye eMiddelburg. Sengisukile ngibatshela hayi sengisukile la bengikhona sengikwenye indawo. Bathi mara that's a huge distance. Groblersdal to Middelburg, but that's a huge distance. So senze njani? Kuzoba Thursday, kuzoba Wednesday. Same time ngihambe nomalume sibuyele eNorthwest. Bangifike eNorthwest angingalali ngithi azini lento le itsile vandag Wednesday mele ngiyisorte out by kusasa lento le mele iaddress. Ngivuke ekseni ngilanda umalume ngifike ngimtshela emfethu azini mina sengidecidile ngale ndaba thinyozi bophisa athi for remeda ufuna umphakathi athi wena uyohamba wena sasomntwana uceda kufunda isikolo manje ngasikhathi 16 days ngiceda ukubhala ngicede ukubhala my matric exam ngi-31st zika October 2007 ngiboshwa ngi-16 zika August athini hayi awukwazi ukuzibophisa ndoda uwenzani Wednesday uzohamba uzwile umagogo bazoyeka labantu laba hayi mara mina ngingihlalisi ngithi azinayi azithingi ngesitsotsi estradini besithi ulikhamandela lishisa dayazi thingi likhamandela lishisa ngilibamba ngidecide ngicabanga istory samanga ngize nestory samanga ngifonele iDaily Sun reporter umzikunene bemele sihlangane Thursday singakhona ukuhlangana Thursday lapho sengiyaphenika angikhona ukulala sengiyohlangana naye Friday ngisuke eNorthwest sohlangana kuphi eOakland Park eMedia 24 Studios angitshele ukuthi azini mfana ngoba manje wena ngimtshelile mina my intention ukuthi ngifuna istory sibe out there so that i-community izofunda istory, and then i-community story ngifuna basifunde ukuthi mina ngiboshiwe so that bahlukane nefamily. I understand, and then family be free survive and then mina ngizofigure out athini mara problem. So kuyi Thursday bekhuluma naye busuku Thursday bekuyi chance ukuthi sibhale istory vandag and then kusasa siyenze, otherwise kusoze siphume Monday ekseni Friday ngiphume ngitshela umalume hayi ngiyahamba end athi uyoboshwa ngathi akunandaba suke ngihike ngivuka ekseni ngiyahike futhi eNorthwest ngihike mangifika Jozi Bree ngifuna ama taxi eOakland Park ngiwathola Media 24 ngifike ngaphandla ngina phone ngifike mangifika mina nayisiqede ngokuthini mangifika gate ngitshele security mangifike security kuyabona like mawubona ukuthi la khona into ephekiwe for wena mawufika uyabona umuntu like uhlahla amehlo like uyabona ngathi sebaredi ukuthi ngingabaleki bafuna ukungikhonara, but mina enqondweni yami I don't care about ukuboshwa vele enqondweni yami yena the way ayikhulume ngakhona le report uyenze ngathi ufuna ukuthatha my statement. So but realize later what he did was uhambile wayenza maybe some investigation journalism or find out lo muntu kwamampela uyafuneka ufuna amaposter wa contacta iMeda and Roof yasemroka. I understand. So wathini kuMeda and Roof yasemroka I think ukuthi okay maseka la kusontshela ukuthi seka la. I understand, because mangifika ngeke ngabona ukuthi hayi into angingabi nendaba ngisayene ngikhuphuke ngiye phezulu bambize umzikunene afike mangifika ngibona officeini ukuthi kuthulekile ngibone ukuthi like uyabona like kufika i-cameraman angishoot masisakhuluma kanjalo kuvele kwaqhamuka ngibone abantu basemroka ngiyabazi iMeda and Roof bokwabo sikhumba kunezinye bebathi babo sikhumba nana bafike abagqoka uniform vele iMeda and Roof asemroka at the time bengagqoka ama uniform babafika ngibone vele abaqhamuka ngithi vele I anticipated that bazongibopha bafike Thabiso sakubopha for iMeda blah 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 bangithathe, and then this guy angibuza i-reporter manje your last words ufuna sithini kufamily yakho and what's the message ongazama ukuthi mhlambe mina kusho yena ukuthi ngizama ukuyiphusha as a reporter to umphakathi ngithi no yenza ukuthi umphakathi find out ukuthi ngiboshiwe as long as uzoboshwa bangithatha sigibele i-golf sihamba nge-golf i-private mangingena egolfini bengihlele so ngakhumbula mangintwana at one time bengibheke enye movie i-Blood in Blood Out and le movie le mangibhekile the way umuntu beka corrupt ngakhona I remember mina ngazitshela ukuthi first angeke mina because mina ngiphuma emakhaya and mina the way ngikhule ngakhona mina indoda ngibheke emehlweni yeah understand so angifuni umuntu ozongishayela umthetho leyo kuyo yonke into noma ubana ngayenza ngisho noma Ramaphosa ngahluthuka ngangifuna ukumgwaza or ngimbulala mangabe ufuna ukungibhoza because into engayibhozwa sathi umntwana so i-gangsterism what I'm trying to say i-gangsterism angifuni yabona angifuni angisumuntu because I don't understand the concept of ufana nami ulimala njenga vulnerable uyalimala njenga marimele ngokusabe umngitshele yabo so i-Blood in Blood Out into engizama ukusho ithe mangibona i-life yasejele ngabona ngathi mina ngeke uzoyenza ama-order because of enye indoda yahlanya angeke ngisabani ngifuna i-group mina ngifuna acceptance ngijwayele ukukhula ngiyi-one ngizimele yabo ngithi nangeke so but lokho ngathini mina I'm going to be that guy uthi makaboshwa ngiyoboshwa mina ngihamba nge-private car ngeke ngihambe ngabo blue yamaven ngithi angeke ngiboshwa abo event and into esumntwana into bengihlezi mina impilo yami yonke bekuyinto bengimeditate I would see myself vene kuba ilezi ukuthi ngiboshwe i-crime serious kwazi umuntu or ngibulele umuntu into yakhona yaziwe ephuma ema-newspaper emantweni and then at that time mangisemotweni njoba ngihamba nama-police ibuye ukuthi Thabiso uyakhumbula ukuthi le nto lekudala uyiphupha into kudala we create la and kula ngifunda khona later on mang understand that the power of meditation eBhayibhelini ukuthi why uNkulunkulu athi do not worrying it's more like meditation you are building something mentally in you so how you see yourself or how you see your life your world view leyo nto le is going to create that particular world view the uzibona ngakhona because of the way singabantu sidalwe njengoNkulunkulu sifana noNkulunkulu and we are creative beings and mostly our creativity ayiphumi from physique iphuma from the spirit most of what you have into ukuthi one way or the other uChris angeke manje abe uChris i-podcast abe la i-media one way or the other one time he thought about almost the same thing to angazi ukuthi mhlambe azange I-envision mhlambe this but there's a space bekuyinto bekayicabanga and mawungambuza most of the time uyicabange long enough until it materialize meaning dala libela zicabanga ngayenza kanjani maybe makabona i-content yomuntu ngayenza kanjani lento I wonder bayenza kanjani in and the more it grows the more it grows within you the more leyo nto le izogcina say bathini it comes forth and leyo nto le ngayifunda mina ngami masikujoba ngisevenini ngise emotweni konto bangibheke tabs uboshwe exactly the way wecabanga ngakhona okay ngihambe mangifika eMroka mangifika nje ngisuka eJozi eOakland Park mangifika eMroka ngithola kugcwele so umphakathi usisi wami kumanje kunomunye usisi wami wachayiswa imoto during that day uyachuka namanje wachayiswa imoto during that day indaba yomphakathi wakhona mabasukuma baye eMroka ngifika umphakathi sogcwele ngingene bangicharge this is Friday is 16 of November 2007 Friday Saturday Sunday Monday ngecourt mangifike ecourt bangishaya nge-remind nge-Sun City mangifike eSun City eseleni bengihlala kuleyo bangibiza uyoung man I was the youngest physically and even nangeminyaka bangibiza uyoung man ngifike ngihlale kulelo sele and ngaleso sikhathi angikaboni ukuthi ngiboshiwe like the whole thing engqondweni nami ngine-alibi yami mina umuntu engemgwazile wasathari akashona engqondweni nami umuntu esimgwazile akashona angazi ngiboshelweni yabo into engiyisitshela ukuthi ngiyofike ngikhulume court okay long story short after isikhathi ngene esincane kuboshwa umunye umfana ushimani ulo ngithi wakhipha wazidubula umngani wakhe ubambe uBrown Ice umngani wakhe ubambe isibhamu sidubula ushimani angithi be umngani wami na angene as accused number 2 kule case makangena sekathi wena wawungiconfessa ngithi angikuconfessa mina angazi nokuthi ufunani because mina istory sami ngisixoxayo mina ngixoxa indaba yasathane so le angazi boshwe kanjani nginga-understand nami ngimtshele ukuthi mfethu mina in my story angikwazi asazana mina ngikhuluma ngama-out ngikhuluma indaba separate thing which is leyo nto leyo ngi-expect ukuthi kumele basicharge as assault GPH meaning assault ngenhloso yokuthi ulimaza umuntu yabo bodily grievously body harm ngathi yinto emele basicharge yona not for murder akashonanga lo muntu akhona athule and mina angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani because ngiboshwe kuqala yena uboshwa sekangena remember abangani bamba bayithu abogogo noThaba ngibashiye besigijima sisonke si3 besibaleka njoba sibona umphakathi lamajida athi sibalekile ngibashiye ngokuthi ngiyobuza iCherika girlfriend kaBhuti wami ukuthi kuBhuti wami nani kula sihlukana khona zange saphinde sihlangana mara sihlukane sabangani sihamba so okay mangena eSun City lapha nama Hotman nani yabona imikhuba yasejele nani kula kubuya khona ke lezi zinto lezi engeke ngayifunda like ama movie like ukuthi first isini ka Chester kuizwe yizo chini isini ka Chester no Papa Action was one of our scene ayenga influence about ijele mina ngathini ngazitshelana ukuthi azini uPapa Action ngimbonile ukuthi nazange bamrape Papa Action azange bambhayizise to uye wabhayiza bekafuna ama drugs nani but egcineni uye wahlanya azanke njengo Chester bicycle bangasaza khuluma into angazazi and then azama ukuba igroup ayithola entweni ezimfasayo so kahle kahle ubhayiziswe ukuthi nabe aphaphe bese ikhuluma ngenkulumo yasestrateni vele ukuthi abe isinayo usuke waphapha uthanda into zabantu akhuluma into engayazi awukhuluma into ongayazi into mawungayazi awuyazi yabo so ngazitshelana ukuthi okay njengopapa Action mina angeke ngivume and then vele Friday mangingene mina epolice station ngingene bengiphethe imali nabogwayi ngazitshela ukuthi makuphela le mali le nalabo gwayi laba angeke ngiphinde ngibheme ngagcina lapho ukubhema ugwayi ngagcina lapho ngazitshela ukuthi angeke ngisaphinde because of angifuni ukuthi mangifike lapha ngifike ngizithole sengincancathekile mangincancathekile sengimele approach enye ibhare engayazi ngifuna ukwa the next thing sengi vulnerable sengi vulnerable sekafuna umbhayizisa ngifuni you understand okay banokwenza inkonzo same time kuleyo sele ngaleso sikhathi yakuna uNkulunkulu ejele nibulele nina nirapile zofika enikhonze la ejele ngibe nalo umqondo le ukuthi akuna uNkulunkulu ejele anginasikhathi uJesu mina ngaleso sikhathi uJesu ngithi kufana nokuthi idlozi because uJesu akethi ushonile and then maqeda kushona ama Christian amkhonza athi uvukile unamandla meaning uvuke in a spiritual sense the same way the traditional people says that kuthi nayo maqeda kushona unamandla nawe ezile ngathi niyafana uJesu namadlozi wakini into one that's my thing until one time ejele and leyo it's mostly about amajita isjita nobudoda ukuthi ejele exposes ama out amaningi into engengayibona first expose amajita amaningi when it comes to identity crisis it shows you ukuthi ama out awanayo identity ama out awanayo bathini personal conviction into okholelwa kuyo wena esumuntu ukuthi this is the foundation engimephezulu kwayo. You understand? And most ama out awana backbone. And leyo ejele most ama out angene ejele azokujela. Ejele bebakubalela 3 months. 3-6 months but uphe 3-6 months uzombona. And within that abanye most abafana 3 weeks. That's all it needs to break umfana. Break umbona umfana sekaba yenye into ongayazi. 3 weeks because leyandawo leyana nifika ningena it's a communal cell nebaba ning a trial. At most nokunokuba 80 eseleni to an extent akulala kuna iposition akuna space kunomuntu olala eposition like ugcwele awuna privacy and then ngapha you don't have resources and then laba abantu lezi ozithola le and mostly lezi rape ama-hotman abosholi rape at that time bekuyilawa bewa i-rape yiyo bekuyi one of ama-guys bathola abasevi batrayela isikhathi eside umuntu akhona umthola nabo 3 years 5 years lo muntu lo yizozithola amafika le kunento kuthiwa abo cleaners ejele cleaners sort of ama-cell monitor sort of ama-class prefect laba babhala abantu abarasayo. You understand? So abo cleaners ilabo so most abo cleaners uthola kuyilezi ezirapile ama-hotman and then lezo hizo ozithola abo some danger. Mangintwana encane hizo abo some danger because lo muntu lo uhleli kule ndawo wazi yonke i-psychology, wazi onke your breaking point, like people's breaking points. Umuntu ofika makafika la most of the time bekaphuza utshwala or bekabhema lento bekayibhema akanayo what it takes to resist. I mean urazibambe maybe omunye umuntu bekadla noma yini mawufika lapha kudla ekseni udla umdoko steam course yabo umdoko akhona ngathi amanzi sometimes awuna neshukela awuna next bakuhlabe nge2 sly and then emenu yodlela enye ipapa sometimes bakushaya ngepapa elimhlophe steam course steam papa sakhona uphuma lezi zinto lezi vele zaba exaggerated like expose umzimba uvela ushintsha. And then lo papa sakho lakhona sometimes bakushaya ngeqanda amaqanda ayi2 aboiliwe papa elimhlophe amaqanda ayi2 aboiliwe ne pumpkin or beetroot. Yeah, i ration yakho and kunjalo ungafika mawungafika usalele emuva ukudla sometimes ukuthola kushoda no one cares ukudla makungantazela. And the prison mangaba uthola ukudla and then awuna a support system from ngaphandle awutholi i-visit, then it means ushouldn't awuna next. And that's where you see most young boys breaking down. Umuntu akayazi indlala Sun City. But ngalesikhathi mina ngingena ngaso Sun City was in the Sun City esiyazi bese kuyi correctional services so bese kunami ihlangana ukuthiwa ama free life, meaning into beyenzeka 2007 coming so into beyenzeka boyenza willingly bonga forced. No one will force you to rape, no one will force you anything. Uwe wena ozozikhethela. Most umuntu azikhethele ukuthi okay mina ngiyazikhethela life yami ejele ngidlulile because angikholi so ngifuna someone who will take care of me the same way umfa like ngaphandle it's the same way. And then but Sun City ku trial akusinto ozoyibona because of ku trial most of ama out ngapha kucwele ama out after selection, so it's about lokuthoma kwe crime nani ikhokho nani ayibonakala that much yabo. Okay, so labo cleaners laba lezi abo cleaners lezi abama timing bendawo enezenzana amakhawati azikwazi ukapproach akuchwakele into because yimi ngiyithatha band ungazongitshela akayenzi kanjalo bakushaya systemically ngomthetho uzokropa ngomthetho akuthuse kunento ibosha zayesaba kuthiwa ibhomu ukuthi eseleni mawuzongena eseleni lese isele ama trial so ukuthi kufuneka i-total fund ukuthi at least per cell akube nabantu abayi-70 and then la iseleni la uhlala khona ni 8 kufuneka 70 kule cell bazokhipha i-10 bafuna ukuyogcwalisa bayopesha somewhere babalance i-total ukuthi omusa ama-cell abe nenumber efana. So le 10 le kuthiwa ishawa ngebhomu ukuthi bazokhetha 10 among abantu eseleni uhambe seyolala kwelinye isela and into engibonile amawutha amagwala indoda isabi kusuka kwenye iseli yohlala kwelinye iseli namanye amadoda so uzobamba ama-grill la and then it's one of ama technique ama skills ama tricks lezi ezwasebenzisa bayazi ukuthi lezi sabu kuhamba ngebhomu lezi sabu kwenza bazokubhayizisa systemically bazokubhayizisa ngabuhata umuntu okhona makakubhoza akakubhozi lapho uzokushaya awukwazi ukumlwisa because ucabanga uzoshaya buhata and vele abuhata abakhona etrial labayana beba corrupt vele basebenza nebo. So one day ngisibhekile lezi amahot bana boshela rape ukuthi bayahlanya laba ngeke sobozwa abantu bebaboshela rape vele ngizokusaba boshela rape awunasibindi sokuthi uapproach imedi uyishele semele mina ngizokusaba alaso sikhathe angisindiswa ngapha hlekela amahot bana ngizobabonisa ngibacuphe sengibacuphile. One day ngihambe ngecourt ngibuye ecourt kunenye uForbes yase Orlando tough hotman mangizwa beboshola ama rape vele dala ishizila for ama rape leyo so ise trial ihotman ikhroto yabona ilimele uzwa inkulumo za like yeah ile ikhuluma itoro zasejele like uyakuthusa and lezo zinto lezo mangabe vele I realize ukuthi almost everything in life it's about you here the battle is here mangabe uwiki la because bayakuthusa umuntu akhona akakulanda state uzokushanga idora yenzeni ubone ukuthi okay ubhayizisa uChris kanjani uChris uyobabhayiza kwafika amaphoyisa bamthatha bayenzana nawe uyasaba manje ukuthi makayeza something uthi inamuzo ngibhayizisa You understand? Ngithi na ngizombamba tough ngizombamba. Ngiqale ngenye bathi ubheki. Le ubheki behlala e-D section. I-D section ama off cell. Mani ye-court. Like kunama cell ama section la nihlala khona. Bese kuba nama section mani ye-court nifikela ngakhona. Yeah. So le ehlala lapha ileze iphapha. And mina like even namanje abona if kunabantu abangazi abangani bami almost everyone uzokutshela ukuthi akekho umuntu ongidina njengebully. Everywhere like uyabona ibully I stand up. Nanoma ngaya kuphi ngifika ibully ngizokutshela hey baba nawe awungastreet kanjalo. Awustreeta ngathi asabantu umuntu yaba. So le yadelela ithafu ngithi angizoyibamba. So one day trial kunalento yama cage. Ukuthi angithi eSun City ama double story ayaso. So ngihlala e-C2 la ngikhona i-C2 bese kuba i-C1 juvenile bese kuba ne-C single phezulu ama single cell. So someone esi-single ngile kunama inkadi la ejele la ku try khona akuna next. So akuna ntsanga kunabo kwayo. So when someone esi-single afune intsango I2 ufuna intsango from esi-single wethumela e-juvenile. So makayithumela usually i-cage mele kube noegata in between kule section in between which is isisengel I mean C2 ngoba siphakathi nendawo bazokhetha wena maybe mina ngoba ngise C-single phezulu single phezulu ngizomemeza wena use B2 use C2 ganda bheka ntwana ngehlisa i-cage ngiyisa e-C1 wena in between ngicela ungibhekele ntwana uyigade i-cage sibiza i-heist i-cage uyigade lapho bangayenzi. So ngaleso sikhathi mina ngifuna ukuyisusa like kufike la ukuthi amanoid ngithi lezi ngizotshelwa labo madala laba mina angishiya kanjani ekade ngaphandle angisabi next ayikho into engifuna ukuyiluza la sobabonisa lawe ngoba mina ngikholelwa mina namanje if kunento engihluthulayo angikholelwa ukuthi ngizokubamba ikhama uNkulunkulu yimi mele ngikubamba nini manje khale ngikubona manje i-chance ngizokubamba kuphi amanga la sesamanga ngiyashasha ngizokubamba kuphi what if angengiphinde ngikubona so kumele ngidile nayo manje ngithi lezi ayikho lento lokuthi sohlangana nazo ngaphandle because ayiboshwe iningi sohlangana ngaphandle ngithi ayikho lento le ngibamba la ejeni le ubheki isuke e-B section e-D angazi beyifuna le section nivaleleke seyilala e-sectionini bayigadise yona ithafu bagadisa yona ngintwana eselini bangibiza young man sonke isiboshwa esibe singazi abo 2007 esi2 bebazi ukuthi young man lo ngithi okay ngiyayirufa lento le ngiyirufa because of igadise ubheki ngithi ngiyayirufa lento le ngikhiphe into ngiroof ngibambele cage khona ekade engapha ingibhekile ithi ebheki kunenye intwana ibamba le cage ene ithenye intwana enhle kanjani yabo isho kanje angiyihuke mangihuka libele bangithuka manceda besibamba lento ubamba into iwindow so ithi sithi sikhalile lapho uyamgcwalisela ke uyambonisa ukuthi okay siboshiwe sonke athi sibone ukuthi kwamampela le crime uyenzile yakwazi ukuthi ubheke umuntu umconfront nibambane nilo asiye ke ngihlalele phansi eseleni kusokuthulekile phela yimi intwana encane indoda wenzani khuluma thatha izolo ngelifase kushaya izolo mangiceda ngishaya iCopskid kunenye outyame uChooks behlala la endofa eMidlands spare thuleki ngasikhathi ayikho into engicabanga mina ngisilezi bengicabanga ucabangani umuntu lo wambamba uyamkwazi uyakwazeka lo muntu ungalibelu overthink akusinto mina akusizinto bengiz overthinker exen kuvula mangivuka ekseni kunenye behlala emfulo oSgabe ngo-operator nabeli belala kunento bathi igubutu bekuyimuslim so usuke wazihlalela A1 alala A1 ingopho phansi so ngo-operator ngithi angigayi ngito angiphi ngito ngayithatha ngayifaka kwento ngayifaka phakathi kwesokisi ngayiroll because ngiyazi leyani tough mina ngisinayo mangibheka ngisinayo ngiyazi izoza ngobuso kuza ngobuso kushuthi izoza ngithi you will never see it coming ngibambe it because abantu abacabanga ngeke acabanga intwana encane kanje ngafuna ukushaya umuntu uthafu kanje izo hey plantana le mayifika ngayitsho ayishala twa ngishaye ngibona ijike yajika la ijika umnyango ngithi abaleka yachayisa amalokari kunamalokari amalokari ngayigapa futhi ngalosikhathi ngifuna ukuyishaya because mina ngafundana shayela ukufa like umuntu wenza sure ukuthi akasabuyi ema movie ngihlezi ngilwa mina ubona ku-horror movie bakushaya umuntu kayi-1 bese babala shaya yabo ngileze ukuthi shaya kaningi wenze sure ukuthi ayenze ukuthi angifuni ukuthi aphunyuke azanto ngithi ngiyamgijimisa abaleke angayi ofisini because yena uzibona ayiclever ngithi uyaziwa phela waziwa i-dissection yonke clever
Upayisintwana.
yeah so angeke ahamba ayobhayizisi ayokhuluma intwana encane and intwana encane west engabukeki utsotsi ine voice nyana ngathi ichira ayibaleke kuthuleke uthike phansi ngibambi and ngiyazi mina into engiyazi even nase strateni do you know ukuthi umuntu once approach especially esatshwa once we approach wayigcwalisela izokusaba iyazi ukuthi untswembu because angithi yasatshwa why wena ukwazile ukuapproach ayikuthi uyigodzomele uyilandile like kanjalo iyazi lo muntu athola isikhathi wathola ichance yongibulala lo unesibindi unekrach into ebakhola like yabona igebengu inteze saba ikrach iswaye bafuna ufaka sithi ufaka umsilendulu mele usabe igebengu so ibaleke ibone azange yenza okay sharp so one day kufike ugogwama afika ngitshela ndoda lo mntana oyibuko lo wangalo yamazi umntana oyibuko wani lo athi umntana ngale ngithi yangamanzi athi ukhulele ukuthi ubali wakhulelwe ngithi yasazi sizo ayingishaya yabona after lapho khulele ngaleso sikhathi mina ingqondo yami into bengilibele ngiphupha impilo yami yonke mina to be honest bese ngicondemned ukuthini sengidecide fuck it sorry for that way but sengidecide akusasizi la ijele bengi ku blood in blood out besibiza kante na kante inside and out ukuthi bengigwazana and bengingaxoxi ukuthi ngiyagwazana bengingasatshwa bengingaziwa you understand and ngiyomaintain kanjalo but clever ngiyagwaza ufuna ukumaintaina leyo nto le and the only way ngoba amouth ngiyawazi ukuthi amouth abana spin the only way ukuthi zonke lezi zinto ezisnacks zala ijele zingayenziki kimi ukuthi kwaziwe ukuthi le nto leya nizokwenzela enye into yabo so sebangitshele ngencosi ayisani siyangichallenge ukuthi flip if ngimethisile kwamampela and mina ngifuna ukugive up la ijele ngibe umagwaza ngibe ngenzene shothi angeke ngisaphuma mos angeke ngisaphuma I'm going to repeat the history. Umntana yokhula nange nababakhe and I know that pain. But hey flip. Mara ngaso sikhatha ngiyaphika ukuthi incosi. Mara abona sengiyacala ngenza. Okay ngihambe ngecourt. Court mangibuye court ngibuye ngiaphe. Ecourt kuyaajwa and
Yo apho.
Yeah. Oy bra. Abona mawufika la uya observe and into ugcina sofuna ukuyenza ufuna into uyakhe more especially abantu abafana nathi aba more self conscious ufuna ukukhetha into ukuthi abawole mangiyenza nanoma ibheta kanjani mara into ezo ku rank igebengu izongithatha ngibeke la uyakhetha yabona ukuthi okay angeke ngibe isigebengu nyane senza this bayiziswe ezinye ibosa nani but okay sharp ukuthi ngiyahamba ngecourt ngibe nesibindi sokuthi ngifake igada ngaphakathi kwami ngingene nazo ngisifake ejele I think yaleyo ngazishaya yaleyo ngingasho ukuthi ngiyenzi dabuka itsitsi dabuka itsitsi ashaya intengaka dog yanenga fasa uyifaka kune plastic bathi self tight self adhesive tight plastic yakho ul wrap maqeda ufaka ivaseline uhlala ka so somewhere menuvula yo Brian yachona and mawuhamba because ihleli la mawuhamba uyeza lehanto leyana and mawufika dissection because of this dissection day ungakhona sometimes awikhiphi ngizofika dissection ngalesikhathi because ejele once wafika most of the time once wafika after 1 sekulate so yolala dissection awazi ukuye ema sectionini yabo and then mawuziphethe somele yolala nazo dissection since uzithathe from ecourt ngo12 yolala nazo the whole night awulale mfana awulala and then ngaleso sikhathi kunemambane kukhona iphone bathi 6210 inuke ngaka bona imambane ifaka ibamba ifaka salumangela uhlahla amehlo ukuthi 6210 engaka. Bra, okay, ngihambe ngiapigada ngibuye ngingena. Angifike esectioneni ngizikhiphe. Zinuka. Zanuke ngaso isikhathi sayibheka ubone ukuthi yonke lento le. Zinuka. Uzikhiphe and uyakaka. Uhlale phansi uthi ziphume. Uzibambe nge-toilet paper because siyenze uhamba uyoziwasha. Cabanga the whole thing. Hamba uyoziwasha. Like leya life leyana mfana. And at that time remember mina ngikholela ukuthi ni ritual mele ngiyenze esigebengu the more strong. But mawubheka uyabona. Phini yona lento le. Akunanhlonipho that's a bayibizana it's a humiliation ritual. In a sense it's humiliating you because ufaka into up your ass, bro. And then mayiqeda uyibamba, uyiwasha. And then kunabafana abama truck because laphayana mawufika laphana it's survival mode. Survival mode ukuthi mawufika kungayenzeka ukuthi for whatever reason ungayitholi visit. And then ukudla kwasetshela ngeke ukusustain. Anything yasetshela even namashit awuphiwa amashit you figure it out yourself. Kumele uzihlanganisela amashit etrial kuwa sikunezimbongolo. Uyalunywa like uhamba so uthola like literal ubuza mawuthahle ahlale trial. Uthola out it keeping into ihamba intwala so zithi sihlale elangeni zithi keep into so libele ithi keep izinto. Keep izinto so hlezi ukeep into. So you see ukuthi nanoma kungathiwa leyo life le ufuna ukuyiphilela ufuna ukuyifela because mina into bengiphilela mina bengekho into ukuthi mangihlale bengizibuza ngiphilelana umama munglahlile baba munglahlile like no one cares about me okay kanti ngiphilelana athi thingi yenzeke lento le but still uyayifila lapho like lapho nanoma uhlale emarobotini uzoyifila okay keep igata man ngata keep igata skip igata awuthamele uchukusi ngitshela mfethu labantu bangishaya ngebhomo babaceda kungishaya ngebhomo akhombele outhi le uForbes and then uForbes ngimcuphile omunye ngimfake ku list yami uboshelwe ijinji ngasikhathi ngiyasho uboshelwe nokucekeza ibhusha uhluleka nokushelela mele ngizokusaba mina yazi ngiboshelweni mina yazi mina bengithathela iClever ispam wena uthathela abo cherry khumula abo cherry paint inkani mina bekuthathela iClever ispam ngumesa ngeke ngizozwa ngabantu bekuyimiqondo yami ngithi angizombamba awona awuthamba ingitshela ithi hayi baye baspoza ngani ngithi okay sharp ngene eseleni khane ngibuye dissection kata keep igada ngaziwasha ngathi ngayeseleni yona leyo Forbes ihlala eChina kule move ihlala eChina inegedlela ngathi ngicela ngiboleke igedlela ngigedlela ngathatha into ngayenza ile gedlela liyazicima gcwalisa amanzi ngawagcwalisa almost to the brim afike ngayibamba yabili ungapha use toilet ngayibamba yabila ngayibamba uthi ngazicima ngayibamba wafika so makafika ufike usuke waflatha wabheka le ngalithatha lonke igedlela ngithela la umuntu amthela lona lonke la kade futhi nja so bona ukuthi ubuthafa busebenza sagijima balekele emaphoyiseni ke yena ubalekele emaphoyiseni wayeofisini ngaleso sikhathi makade kubaleka ngigcoki iAll Star ngithathe igada ngizifake la ngaphansi kweAll Star abalekele ofisini makafika bafike uphi lo mfana bangithathe seyibalekile lapha siyatatazela bangithathe mangifika bangilalise phansi bakulalisa ngisusu amaphoyisa aseje angithi ngilala ngisusu flat mele ngithathe inyawo bona inyawo lezi ngibeke phezulu kwetafula inyawo ngibeke phezulu kwetafula le expose the into so ngilibeke phezulu kwesitulo wena ulele ngesisu uthathe inyawo uzibeke akho uthobona molele ngesisu ubeke inyawo so mare the party le ibeke phezulu akushanga intomfa idonkipini so mina ngomusa kaNkulunkulu la mfethu I've seen isiboshwa bashaya babaqeda ukushaya asihluleke ukuhamba yazi waye bakushaya phansi kwenyawo ayivuvukali I mean ayiphuki bafuna ukukushaya without evidence and mabaqeda ukushaya bazokhutula bakulahlela ema single cell angeke uthole ivisit into yenzeka kimi mara abangishayanga bethe bangilalisa makakhumula icathulo athi eish uthola insango bazo vele wakhathala athi hayi phethe lensanga lenja la si charge bangithatha bangicharge bangisa AB single bangithatha bangisa B single survive kanjalo endukwini mara mina ngibone umuntu bamshaya bra bamshaya baceda alale phansi sometimes bebakuthela ngamanzi hospital ubuze especially juvenile Abo la eSun City ngaleso sikhathi into bebhlungu bokungasi ukuthi mhlawumbe uyarage because mina abona etrial azange kube nomuntu ufuna ukungirape. Into bebhlungu bekwi-treatment oyithola from iboshwa namaphoyisa. Bazokutreat ubone ukuthi awusuclear. Okay, bangithathe bangise eB single. Ngifike ngihlala eB single, ngihlala 7 days eB single. Sale ma single cell ulala bakufasile so. Uzokuchacha and ngaleso sikhathi ulowo uhlale kuleyo in charge of that single cell uyo uyangigcwalisela nje to wena ushisa isiboshwa wena itakhola siyazi wena ushisa isiboshwa wena yeah ushisa isiboshwa wena ngifasile ngihlale 7 days and I think kula inhliziyo yami yashintsha like because all along in attitude ukuthi akunankulunkulu ejele sibulele sirapile ngathi besikhohlakele kanje akunankulunkulu nilibele nacula bengingayi church la khona bebayenza ngabo 6:5 ntamba bengingayi mara mangisuka lapha mangilapha ema single cell ngibona man hayi man ngaleso sikhathi umagogo incosi izaliwe akuma around boma April 2008 lapha incosi seyikhona bazoletha incosi bangibone abangithuli because vele etrial bavele bakumove uma bangafuni ukuthi ubona so mabafika ekhaya kuvisit abangithuli bangifune abangithuli baletha umntana ngizombona ngimbona from lapho ngisuke ema single cell ngiye B2 like eSun City at that time iB2 neC2 even neC1 bekwamasela wasesowethu most bekwama Protea Court iProtea London Orlando nanani neLens bothola abantu basesowethu iB2 neC2 so mangisuke eC2 bangise B2 mangifika lapha yana ngijoin ichurch kancane ngilibele ngiyathenda ngisicule until icala selikhulunywa angazi kwenzakalana mangifike before icala likhulunywa mangifike eboxini ingene eboxini sokuthiwa icala lakhulunywa babize key state witness key state witness kule case yemela ngimangela key state witness ubani lo kuvela ugwegwe awuthami le engithi mina yena noThabanga labona labo kulabantu laba esinawana sonke more especially sikaSlamba bayaza lethule abangani bami kuvele yona istate witness and ulobe ngihamba naye noThabanga njoba sibaleka masibaleka ngibashiya boyithu ngithi uyobona ubhuti wami ngithi uyobona igirlfriend kabhuti wami ngithi ngaleso sikhathi kusale seka istate witness awugwegwe state witness engqondweni nami ngithi man ugwegwe bathini ubeka sign iparule bekabuya uboshwa boshasa semntwana uyeke isikole eprimary wayebhantinta wabuya and same year yakhona mina ngengaboshelwa iassault GPH bengihamba naye so ngakhethana ukuthi okay ngoba ngiboshelwe iassault GPH ngihamba naye ithi mina ngalivuma icala lakhona ngalithatha icase yakhona ngayithatha bangigweba 5 years suspended yabo ngizama ukusindisa yena ukuthini yena mangabe icase izomvukela because usign iparole uyogcoka ngathi nithi ngingamkhiphi ithi mina ngiyenza meaning ngisuke ngathatha a fall for yena ngazama ukufela yena okay seka state witness awukho state witness ngithangeka yenze outcome le uyabona mayibuze ngestory samanga ame boxing afika athi lo angikhombe so athi lo besihamba nabangani bam C4 lo wasilandele emuva ngathi bekafuna ukuhamba nathi singafuni and the next thing sabona sekajampela umuntu and then wabulala umuntu kokuthini awuthami besonke gwegwe uthini manje same time noShimane remember ungenile accused number 2 yami same time uShimane uba state witness number 2 Shimane ungene etrial ulimele udubulekile bengugeza uthami that's where ngikwaze khona suyajika sokuthi ngiyenzile like uthengisa mina ekubeni uShimane uyocalele case phela mase sikhuluma iqiniso uShimane uyo suke wagijima afike washala umuntu wabantu mina mangifika le fole ngifika already lo muntu sekaphansi seba commit crime mina bengisendlini kahle bengisele emuva if ngikhumbula kahle bengisho ngakhona mina bengisele emuva ngisathi ngifuna ukuqoka isilamba ngishiye izinto esibuyo ebesiza nazo senzile bona bagijimisa lo muntu mina sengifika ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubali lo muntu mina ngiyengafela nje ukuthi ngisuke ngasondela ngifuna ukubona ebusweni wangibamba yabo Shimane musocalele sting so uyajika wena uthi yimi and ngaleso sikhathi manje senzene sengisayinile statement sengibhalisile angikwazi ukujika and ngidom kusebenzisa ne legal wise angikwazi ukuthi okay cela ukukhuluma iqiniso into eyenzakele. This the true version no? Because mina i-version yamamanga and i-version yamayitouch indaba yama events wa Friday khuluma ngama events wa Saturday. So manje ngisakwazi ukujika ingcondo ya jam hayi ingcondo ya jam angazange ngikhona hey labantu bangithengisa kanje like same time magistrate in the case yami khulunywe same thing agwejo same day but 20 years for remedy. No 20 years for remedy. Ba flip ngihambe ngiyakhumbula bakata kungweba umakoko mafika wangiphikada nga-upper futhi Friday futhi nga-upper futhi Friday ngangena sengiyahamba ngiyogcoka manje mangifika ngigcoka singena kwenye section futhi medium B section nakhona i-D section sifikele D section Friday silale Friday Saturday Sunday kula ngazitshela khona ukuthi azini le igada lezi because sengigwejiwe angisafuni ukubhema igada ngisafuna into ezongiphazamisa but la kula first time ngezwe ngishiva because manje so yabo 20 years Brian 20 years iminyaka yakho le phuma una photo phuma ihotbana sure. And then manje so yabona I reality mawubabheka utho mawuceda kugwejwa kulobona khona nemapantita different like uyambona ukuthi lo muntu uhlukile so yabona bese ngifabanye abantu ke manje
ayiseke into ukugcolisela
yeah like so yabona nengcondo iyabuya ukuthi phela yibo ke ababulali ke laba laba yibo ke la ingcondo ibuya ubone emathi ngicalculate uthi ngiyosurvive kanjani 20 years ngenzani mara one thing ayenza ngisase umntwana I remember bengise toilet ngihlala ngisahlala kanahe bengise toilet besebenzisa toilet besebenzisa incwadi for ukwenza I remember before ngifunda yeah incwadi yasesikoleni I remember ngumntwana one day ngifunda lencwadi because angithi ngifunde late nyana ngizibuza ukuthi kubhalweni la bheka incwadi kuse toilet ngithi yazini one day aze ngizokhula and then ngizofunda ukwazi ukufunda and then nokula ngizimela phinde ngivumela anyone to do anything give me and get away with it because bonke labantu laba bangishaya ngumntwana sonke lezimo lezi ngibekuso kuzo ngumntwana ngena singakwazi ukuzilwela manje once ngakhula ngicabanga leso sikhathi once ngakhula I'll make sure ukuthi akekho owenza anything and then get away with it so sengisejela ukuthi Tabs the only person man ubolibela uphila nayo yonke lempilo yakho huwe and then uyazi umuntu ojinwe naye awukwazi ukushasha so ungayenza yonke lento enziwe ejele uyenze but ushasha abantu and then kanjalo will it be lento why usho umntwana ukuthi you protecting yourself because if you allow another man to take advantage of you like usaba like what is it umuntu lo like this indlela straight ukucabanga umuntu yalimala njengami and then iziningi izinto zokumlimaza ukuthi udile naye so why would you allow umunye umuntu ngizitshela ukuthi amara angeke yenzeke yonke lento leyo sase Sun City so esinesikhathi esiningi more especially like Sun City akuna development akuna personal development at most Sun City is bias la it's about uqhoba yazi igebengu zinjani igebengu lisaphethe leyo nto leyo ukuthi qhoma ukuthi idlani igcokani yabona phatha ama creative ama gadgets into abayiphile la Sun City thola umuntu ane troll own troll kunento bayibiza isikhokho troll yakhe or own troll yenyama or amaqanda or sugar like corruption so thola abantu like they abayenza kanjalo so uyabona Sun City they just care about uqhoma nani and then most of laba abanye the rest ayikho into bazoyenza so sihlala ngaphandle masiceda kudla phela ngabo 8 so 8 9 ucedile ukudla so kumele mawuceda kudla so kumele uyolinda uyodla futhi ngo1 2 12 ayikho into abayenza so amajita bahlala bakhulume and other things bebayikhuluma bekuyi religion kakhulu African religion Christianity bahlanda ukuphikisana ngalezo zinto and mina ngikholelwa ku both because mina ngithini angeke ubaba uphilayo uyaphila lo baba and nakayenzanga next ubonile akangenzelanga next ayikho into ayicontributile and then makaqeda kushona la sekanamandla khona ukuthi angashintsha angangenzela something sekumele ademande mina futhi ukuthi before ngenzela something mina kumele ngenze something but it makes no sense akangishiyanga nganext so bekumqondo wami so i-concept obudlozi bengayi-understand ukuthi mina if bekuyimi ngazi ukuthi inqusi yami ngiyenzela ngihlulekile la emhlabeni esune singiba nama-powers ngiyoyenzela into engaziyo ukuthi ngihlulekile ukuyenza emhlabeni angithi nginama-powers ngathi that night angikholelwe yento but ngadecide ukuthi man vele maybe ngifunde iBhayibheli so that ngikwazi uku-argue nale clever lezi just uku-argue for the sake of arguing one day ngayi-church mangifika ngithole enye out epho khona esinawana bengibloma naye beyenza ithengisa ama-drugs kancane yabo sheli i-rape nakhona i-rape yakhona statutory lento ukuthi umntana omncane and yakhona sayazi yabo lento ukuthi umntana lo labantwana abaphaphayo just bekamncane wabosha umjita bamkoba 20 years na so mangifika umjita ngama ngiye-church ngithola umjita athe wena ngeza bathi siyadubulana manje ngithi athi akungcono siye-church angidine Mama athi church ngathi awungibhorile awuthi church umfundisi ngithathi kanje mara zanke ngisho because awuthi yami ngayisho enhlizweni yami ukuthi uthini manje lo mjita lo yabo the first excuse ngithi akuna Bible angiphe athi la nginalo iBhayibheli angiseseleni afike angiphe iBhayibheli le New King James elena belinama notes waka Kenneth Copeland minister angiphe lona athi nalo iBhayibheli hlazo ngilithathe ngilifihle la phela mina bengi-hardcore like bengabona ubugebengu bengingabu-act mina bengisigebengu like enhlizweni yami that's how bengizibona ngakho like that's why bengikwazi ukuthi into ngiyiphike to death because commandela lishisa icala liphiko like all these codes bengiphila ngazo mina ngiphilela la ama-codes la so abona ngiphi iBhayibheli ukuthi isigebengu efana iBhayibheli uthini manje mara ngilithathe ngilifihle ngifike eseleni ngifike ngilibeke phansi kombhede one day ngilithathe singithi ngifunde ngithola lama mistake kula ngithatha khona ngetransfer ngisuke eSun City itransfer bemele iye eSonorvater bemele iye eBavia eSonorvater ePitori so masifika eMakhejini lambele siswape khona simasahambe kubuye itransfer ebuye eVenda eKutama mayifika le transfer ebuye eVenda eKutama is a private prison so a private prison bane number a constant laphana Musa famasela wakhona kahle amasela wakhona khona la kuhlalwa nga44 khona la kuhlalwa nga22 iyellow kuhlalwa nga44 negreen kuhlalwa nga44 and then bese kuba nabayibiza iblue kuhlalwa nga22 so inumber mele ihlala ayifani eSun City ukuthi uzothola kwenye isele kunabantu abaningi no laphana inumber yenzile so makuphuma abantu abayi10 mele kungene 10 so manje labantu laba babuya eKutama ngathi futhi bebayi15 or 13 so bafuna i15 or 13 eswapa enigebe ongazifuna ukuhamba la eSun City bafuna ukuhamba ngetransfer ayawasaba amaplazi bawuzwa itori batheni kupha amazambane ngezandla so igebengu ziyasaba like lento khona nginkulumo yesitshela bathu bamba amagrill kushuta ufuna ukuhamba abanye bayenza ama-motion umuntu azaye ekhota yobhala i-motion omunye ayenze ngathi uyafunda wenza i-education uJubJub wayenza kanjalo uJubJub uJubJub mina mara ngimthola mangibuya eVenda ngimthola bekahlala eSun City D section e112 bekuyisele yama-cleaners abantu abazi bazokutshela 2012 mina mangibuya uThemba bekuwachuzi wakhe bekahlala e11 uJubJub bekahlala e111 uThemba something Khumalo bekahlala e112 next door yesele yakhona so wayenzani ukuthi angahambi eSun City wayenza ngathi uyafunda waye medium C ama-single cell kuyafundwa wayenza ngathi uyafunda so that ayothola ukuthi ahlale i-medium C e-single cell ngathi bathi bambamba bekabambe mabasho iboshwa ama-heavy legend but bambambe njoba le ma-single cell kwaba negig ejele makuba negig bathi wamokola icherry uJubJub bambamba bamisa party basho njalo bambamba uJubJub because ubambe umuntu ema-single cell le medium B bamisa low cop kula uJubJub asuka khona eSun City waye low cop yabona so what I'm trying to say ukuthi ama-gens ngenza example ngoJubJub ukuthi ama-gens bewangafuna ukuhamba ngedraft abanye bazenza ngathi bayafunda abhalise some course makafunda angeke ahambe ngedraft umunye yenze ngathi uattend icourt abhalise repair abhalise into iyaphila yenze ngathi uattend icourt understand omunye bayabhadala vele igama likhishwe like igama bayalifaka ku list ukuthi wena uyahamba ngetransfer abhadale ukuthi okay ngicela nilikhipheni abafuni ukuhamba abaningi baphelela la that's why abaningi mabafika and ngafunda la iSun City bekuyi maximum but maximum yakhona mawusuka eSun City uya kwamanye ama prison you realize ngiya-understand labantu abathi prison i-hotel igenge efana nabantu abahlala emasela amajele afana nabo Sun City amajele ukuthi kula emakasi azange babe exposed to outside la ukuthi lapho like abantu ba desperate and survival mode because izinto ezenza ukuthi abantu bagcine ba loser because umuntu osejele ngoto umuntu but majority of abantu abasejele bese evil umunye urape omunye ubulela omunye ama multiple murder umunye wenzeni so si evil so cabanga evil people endaweni eyi-1 and then ngaleso sikhathi ninama little resources mele fight for little resources and into yenzeke emaplazini le yabona and ngidiscover mase ngihamba ke sengithathwa i-transfer uba nesikhathi okay
no like uzobuya last party la osuqala khona uba ibona again like
yeah bekula sengifika labona event vele that whole story qala event
okay so right now we can close lento ayenzeka la
okay
Sun
yeah
City before transfer
yeah so iSun City ngaleso sikhathi ngiceda kufika ne because first angitholi visit yabona ejele mawungatholi visit because like joba ngishilo ukuthi izinto zasejele azikho enough so amajita dependa ku external say but in external in support system and then the only way ukuthi itsida mele kube nomuntu okuvisitela mawungayithola uzoba inkingene noma especially mangabe wenza izinto so lapha neSun City because yonke into iyathengiswa angina roll on angina nsipho mele I had to sacrifice inyama mawuthola chicken fanda khona ezithenga inyama
sho njenge piece chicken sune roll on
yeah khona ezithengisa inyama ezithenga inyama khona lezi abo time inepondo ngaleso sikhathi 2008 insipho bo Protex le ngakanyana bekuma pondo 3 rand yabona fika exchange inyama ka umuntu inyama ka
it sounds like it's very corrupt
yeah yabonisa mina 2007 coming this iSun City corruption bekuyi corruption iSun City that's why uchief Nkabinde ubani kuna le chief lo no lasibeka khona unkabani chief unkomonde uchief ngengamuzwa amawuthi bewalwa naye and laba bebalwa naye ngazibuza wayinilwa makathi ndliwe ningadliwanga but my thing is amajele awafani yabona akekho abona abantu abaphuma eSun City maybe out of 10 uyi1 udliwe and then most of lo udliwe because bekathanda eSun City more especially ngalesi sikhathi ngene ngaso mina the only thing bezokwenza bekuyi corruption futhi i-situation i-system hiyo bezokwenza ukuthi mangabe weak uzokhetha ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi ngisurvive ngifuna ukwenza something ukuthi ngithole into yokubhema ngifuna ukwenza and the only thing uzoyenza ukuthi I understand lezi zinto ezibhedayo mara otherwise bekungekho the only thing bekuyi corruption and corruption they are taking into kumele kube yakho amashit kumele kube waphake wena leyo shit le isiboshwa sawathatha sawamokola siwathengisa impahla mina ngangena le impahla bengigqokile mangigwebe bangiphe i-shirt kuphela lidabukile so
yebo
so uzozibona phambili so mele uzibone phambili uthengise ini sangiphile kanjalo uthengisa inyama wenzani up until sengizohamba ngeevent ukusuka la eSun City
mfethu manje uma usho lento kaJubi iyangithusa manje uthi ngabe wabanjwana nomuntu eselling like shuthi ngabe wabanjwa nomuntu intombazana engaphandle engaboshiwe
mangizwe mara ngibheka sema single cell i-medium C bekwama single cell angaze ngaye kuyo masizwe bekwama single cell so yeah mara yonke into possible mfethu
iSun City
yonke into possible like it's just izinto eziningi like for example think of istory sika Thabo Baxter bengeke siphume until bengeke sazi ukuthi leyo nto i-possible until sekaboshwa ukuthi umuntu afake death phela ufake death imangawu it's a sister prison yeKutama it's ngaleso sikhathi ngisase Kutama bekuyi one of ama private prisons so is strict isebenziswa ikhathwa G4S yeah I understand be strict so and then laphayana lento yakhona ejele yonke amajele kunamagate ijele ukuthi uphume uphule off lento uThabo Baxter yenzile leyo nto le into ukuthi umokole from the top akusinto encane that why mina ngikholwa uThabo Baxter ngikholwa istory sokuthini kuna into engayizo mejuke wayisho ukuthini there's a thing ukuthi uThabo Baxter waboshelwa into angayenzanga lemgwebeni bekuyi case yenziwe umntana wepolitician umntana wepolitician wathi thatha le fall and then makatha umekujiwa yisho ukuthi athathe the fall bathina thatha the fall and then don't worry we'll take care of it and then ubona ngani no one can pull off lento efana nekaThabo Baxter out yami
uyaphuma besuka nemali
yeah
so senemali nangaphakathi
Yeah.
yabo ngoba kuthiwe ungaphakathi ngibone documentary kuthiwa unabantu unabafana abasendawo
yeah
senemali
he's funded he's protected and uke washo there was a case la sho khona khuluma ngama politician lena uthathe a fall like lento ukuthi okay eyakho ntwana don't worry and then vele bamkhiphile ukuthi bamkhiphe lento leyana ntwana lapha yana awumokoli umuntu ewanyoza umokola lapha until to a prison head isikhiya sasejele iboshwa namanje zonke iboshwa zikholwa ukuthi isikhiya sasejele after qeda khiwa sePitori because ukuvulwa ejele ebusuku once kakhiwa it's a long story ejele mele ufe yeah basho njalo bathi isikhiya sePitori because vele yazi no bekwamaphoyisa yazi amaphoyisa bebangafuni ukukunceda mangabe uthi mele kuvulwe bathi umele uzufe like sikuyabonakala ukuthi uyafa then khane mhlambe nje akuvula ujele to
yabona le ukuthi Felicity process mara uzukhona nawe sibona isikhiya sePitori
amaru yazi abantu abanjani yazi the more people say into long enough the more abantu bayicall
kuthiwa zayizabamba ukuthi igoal ayikho eGauteng angazi phe angihle
yeah so the more abantu bayisho long enough we adopt without even thinking ukuthi kahle ngithini
abantu bacishe babulalane ejele bebanga ukuthi iGauteng kahle akusijozi
ijoza yeah
umenzi akazake zalo iboshwa cishe zalimaza nejele zithi nje ijoza akusiyiGauteng ijoza iGauteng nayo angazi kuphi kodwa iJohannesburg nangayazi yabona ekwashulu no my brother yeah no very interesting sure this thing is deep. So amajela njengo Kokstad okhethi mahlala ngoba beke
Kokstad ibhoze yamajele ezi Kokstad mawuye Kokstad most of amouthi ekutambe kuhlangana nabo masibuya zonke zineBhayibheli nyane encane zonke iziningi masibuya lapha zineBhayibheli encane eKokstad lapha yana bathi i-free time because mina ngihlele ema-single cell ngiya understand phela lapho marumzoza ku the second time kula vele yabo like mawuphuma like ucabanga uhlala eselini the whole day uyi1 single cell we1 awuphumi we1 no TV no nothing and thina ke ekutamba beku event ematashi bekungcono because amajita babukela baphula ispili babukela iTV ngespili so from ebondweni ile but bekungcono because kune TV kunomsindo nyana amankosata kunamsindo yi1 kuphela it's only you so na kanjani namanga umuntu you are a social being you can't so it gets into you so uzogcina sofuna something uzofunda something uphuma iziningi phuma esigobile la that's why abaningi abaphuma lapha yilaba ubayidela kufa umuntu wakhona mangabe uyayeka icrime uyayeka akasafuna ukuyenza like uyashintsha lo muntu loyo uzombona umuntu oshintshile uyambona umuzo makaxoxa dale ishintshile bese kuba umuntu wakhona mangabe akashintshanga uyahuqa yileyo fele crime makaphuma thina ngeke ngisaphuma mina kumele kungcono bangishaya ngegane ngife
so kahle
kulofana nalobe bamhlubule khona le movie khona le clip be trend no last ngo December November awutha khona itujule bebabamba i-security guard i-fidelity mali inkunzi i-security yadubula inyawo yawuthi leyana i-video yakhona vele yasikhipha yashaya
hayi wena ngithi
yeah and ngaso sikhathi isaphili la lephansi sile nto leyo ukuthi
abagaba kubalekile
Yeah.
kitchen transit
yeah
hayi wena ngibonanga
inyawo wawa abangana kubayabaleka ubelo keep ispam bamshoot lo muntu ozifihlile umshoot
yeah umshuta ashaya inhloko fast azange no hesitate azange hesitate uvele wathi khonqa sekayalala abantu abanjalo mawungahlala umbheka iningi labo umuntu wakhona uke washizila wajena ukuthi angiphinde ngibuyele ejele ngamane ngifo hlezane one up umuntu akhona amanye uba specific ahleza aphethele i1 esikhwameni one mistake wenza fast khoxatha angeke buyele ejele angeke
isiphila nabantu abadangerous yazi
So kahle uthi most yabantu abahlale kuma single cell ama chances ukuthi baphume ba right are very high.
No, not really chances ukuthi aphume right. The thing ejele is kuna two extremes. It's either uzoba worse. This is why bathi jele it's a university of wrong ideas. It's a corrupter or a mayikushintsha ushintsha. It's always two extremes.
Yeah.
It's either uba worse. It's either uba worse. Sometimes uyangena ukanda uboshela into ongayenzanga or uboshela into ukuthinta khona it's a miss. Uwenzile mara exactly awuyenzanga. Let's say maybe uboshela i-bad company. Because kunabantu ababoshela i-bad company. And then ufike ejele mayekwenza ilento le ukuthi uba nenhliziyo embi, uba bitter. You understand? And mawuba bitter bese uthi kuyafana. So ufuna ukuyenza because leyo nto le kungenile the treatment I'm out. The thing about the prison, they make sure ukuthi they humiliate you. Like they want you like mele uyifeel. And then mawuphuma lapha yana it's either leyo condemnation le izokwenza ukuthi nawe ufuna ukufilisa abanye. This why ufuna ukuthi nawe uhlale uze ejele uyenza a better thing ezokwenza ukuthi ufike uhlale isikhathi esithi. Phela into abayenza umuntu ungene ejele afike aboshelwe i-shoplifting. Bakhuluma ngama aboshelwe i-shoplifting. Suka wena uboshelwe shoplifting lento yakho ngayishanga i-reverse. Mawuweek uzofuna ukuthi mawuphuma uyobulala so that now mawufike bafike sibafdaya mawuyashi.
Boshela umtshetsha i-fish oil
ungazosijwayela wena so more week uzogcina manje sowufuna ukuthini sowufuna ukwenza a wasting so that ufike ube in and it's because of usuke wabona the treatment isn't like the wasting akhona we are imitators you are likely to be everything most of it oyenza it's something ike yenzeka kuwe it's experience most of it we experience nalezi ezithi mina ngisakutshela nazo ayikho out 80 ukumfaka kwenye out ingakazi yayenziwa especially from the juvenile abaningi basuke babanjwa e-juvenile and then uyakhula lo muntu lo and once wakhula unless usindiswa angeke uphume angeke uphume leyo nto le is a generational case
so kumele you must become a born again
unless usindiswa that's the mawungasindiswanga there's no coming back kule nto leyo you can't there's no the only way uzozwa but it's either usindisiwe you can't come back out from there it's a worst outside for it out this why Gomora by because le amount le befuna ukurape ingelosi like it's a worst sin because lo umuntu is a seed when a job so you represent a seed the seed you represent nations or represent generations so umuntu corrupt your seed so it's either when wavuma baku it's either uzozala abantwana bazoba the victims or wena incosi sakho zohamba zi angeke
so you have to get it deliverance
or don't do it kungcono bakubulala because there's no coming back yophila kanjani with such a memory indoda thina madoda what you cherish is your memory that is why mina bengingakiki ukuthi ungishayile bese ngizokuyeka ngiphile nokuthi ungishayile ngizokubamba how can I live lento ukuthi ungenze something ngakuyeka ekubeni ufana nami. It's a memory. What you cherish is the memory. The thought of it. Mawucabanga because into tormenta it's a thought. Awusayizwi pain akushaya ngayo but into esele the thought. Mawucabanga lo muntu wangibamba inkunzi lo muntu bangilalisa phansi ntwana bangivuli amathanga bathi ozosifebe. Uzucabanga ukuthi how are we going to survive as a man? How are we going to live with that?
That's why it's not easy to forgive cheating. Memory.
And namauthi ayenze
noma ungazange uyixolela ukuthi uzohlalela
amauthi ayenziwe meaning labo yilezi eziziphindayo or basifika ngaphandle sifike kunomuntu engimaziyo like lo ngiyamazi mafika ngaphandle lo muntu lana etshela he was doing great things because we wasindiswa uthema kufika ngaphandle ugcina abuyele emadrugsini and then one time kula ngipick up akhona ngizwa ukuthi bamrape bamgang rape wagcina ajoin igangsterism because bamgang rape. So you can't, mfana, how do you live with yourself? Like you are a man. Pela generations, humanity is founded upon you as a man. Vengeke sibe nabantu, besingeke kube ne-humanity ngaphandle ukuthi kube nendoda bathu Adam. And then from Adam uNkulunkulu wathatha uEva. From kuwo bonke abantu baphuma kuAdam. people abantwana they are from ubaba, the seed iphuma kuwe and nomama yena is more like in the natural huyo we system ukuthi ikhulisa that you gave them. So leyo nto le it's shame bra, you can't. Mina the thought of it khona la ngicabanga mawucabanga incondo yami shut down, like ya shut down, you can't think of it. Ucabanga kanjani enye indoda sekukhefuzela phezulu kwakho
khona niyathuza.
Yeah, like incondo iyajema. Like lapho mina ngavela kula ukumele usho khona ukuthi okay, if matter of life and death hiyo le the moment le mele ukhethe, because kuzofana nokuthi ngifile ngizophila kanjani na this thought ukuthi ngihambe njengoba ngiyahamba mangihamba ngiyazi ukuthi la uChris zangibamba zangiduzula ukuduzula ntwana it's nathi somehow siyazi mawuduzula mawuyayigcwalisela icherry at most mawufuna ukuyigcwalisela,
because they say even noma ungena kulezinto zamafem nani they humiliate you, you have to sleep with a man, so you can have money and everything but ekugcineni this abantu mfethu ama celebrity
uyibulala yonke imali kodwa uyayibulala uzibuza kanjani
izokudla ukuthi mara uvumele indoda.
You can't forgive such.
You can't forgive yourself.
Someone bright. Hey, you took the soul phela ubongalela nami ungenye indoda manje. You done, bro.
You done, like there's no coming back. Ngaphandle ukuthi vele mele usindiswe. They say abona the only way out it's mawusindiswe because uJesu uyakwazi ukuthi adile nawe akuntazinge na break, because the biggest thing akusi ukuthi ungayiyeka. The biggest thing ile the thought bra, the knowledge you know ukuthi ntwana wapenda yakupendisa le out and obvious maka rape shoot it's messy, phela rape it's messy and it's going to be messy. Akuna ne loop ndoda kuse prison, akuna loop. So anas indoda bro so and lezo zinto lezi, that's where you realize that okay, a prison for me based on my experience ku second into ngizojula ukuthi it's more of it's like an initiation of some sort. Men are initiated into something. Yeah, men are initiated into something because ubona ubaba ohlonipheka kunabantu like mina ngiyathanda ukubiza amagama because ngithanda ukuattach ukuvalidate my story ukuthi ngibeke a face and name to a story so that abantu abazima abamamela bazi uForbes siyamazi beka trial level 2008 bekahlala section kwamampela esi2 kwamampela, they can attach and then they can say ukuthi leyo nto leyo kwamampela ikhona kula kubona umuntu ohlonipheka angena and then the next umuntu akhona uyashintsha uba nento. And even now as the thoughts uzobona ukuthi mawucala uba ku environment yakhona so ba nemicabanga ongakaze uyicabanga ebeta lame thoughts ongakaze uyicabanga, you realize no leyo nto le mele corrupt so much as that mawuphuma weak uphuma ufila you nothing. That is why it's either mele ube uziyekelele, it's either uchubeke crime until it kills you or ube istakwa or ube unyawupe or ube yini, because it deals with your psychology. Uzokhona kanjani wazi ukuthi enye indoda bekuthathela ugwayi mawubuye visit ikuthathela ugwayi ozandoda ngasikhathi imfishane kuna uzophila kanjani like wazi le ndoda le ngiyabona ukuthi kudunusise bekuthathela nje enye indoda njengami and then mele uhambe.
Bro, I'll see you on the next part. Kanda, we out.